No, wait, hold on.
What's up, guys? Today, hold on. Wait. It's Attack on Titan! Run! What? Wait, I'm Attack on Titan myself. Anyway, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing the CR again because I said so. Yeah. Anyway, we got our super building. Throws rock.
The Beast Titan is within me.
Oh god. Get out! And now that we got all this, let's get started. Alright. Boulder is crazy.
Bro, my man breaks boulders and then throws them at people.
Get out! Alright, so we need, Alright! Get away from me, ships! You know what?
I am the Sig radar.
Gar, I am mad.
No. I just downed my alarms.
Why does bro have alarms?
Oh god. Why have I rocket line?
I just have them. And these aren't actually guns, they're actually mortars. Yeah, guys, they're all mortars.
And then launch the missile.
If you shoot a missile, I swear I will shoot an intercontinental ballistic missile at you.
Once you have started to invade.
They are mortars.
The moment you fire, I will end all allies. Unless you want it.
I hope you know. Wait, I hope you know you don't have to use a real cannon. You can use fake bullets and it'll still work the same.
Nah. Oh, I want to use a real cannon.
I'm gonna keep my eye on you. I'm gonna keep my eye on you. You got too much military. I'm gonna keep my eye on you.
I had already clicked it because I saw you were about to shoot, so I'm gonna fire it that way. Don't mind that.
I'm gonna keep my eye on you.
How is the flame floating now?
I don't really know. Still though, I'm gonna keep my eye on you.
I still haven't revealed something.
What? What have you not revealed?
We'll see eventually.
Oh god, I'm scared. Oh, shivery timbers! Shut up, man! I'm kidding. I'm keeping
my city is lit. My military base is bigger than my city.
Bruh. That's how you know bro has too much. That's how you know bro has too much. Where are
you going to attack the civilian transport boat?
I'm not. No, it's not that. I'm just keeping my eye on you. I'm just keeping my eye on you. I'm just we don't talk about these. I'm just keeping my eye on you.
I'm literally. In the last video, I literally said that I was hoping you would already.
I'm just gonna keep my eye on you. I'm just gonna keep my eye on you. I don't trust you with all that military. I don't really trust that.
I'm now forcing my garage to have. I'm now gonna put should I put a USA flag?
No! Get out! The fact that you copied my buildings are crazy.
I took inspiration. I didn't directly copy. Mine are taller and have more width.
I want ransom. What? That doesn't make any sense.
And they're made out of different materials. I just took inspiration.
I don't care. I'm kidding. Get out! Get take this. I'm talking about this, by the way. No! Bro. There
What
we
would
go.
happen what would happen if you attacked RJ while he wasn't here?
You can't do that, sadly. Keyword, sadly. The fact that I can fit in there is kind of crazy. Okay. I'm extending because I said so.
Never couldn't.
I know.
You know what? I just had an idea.
I don't like your idea. I'm kidding.
Alright.
Grr! I'm gonna say grr because I felt like it.
Never said you couldn't.
I never said you said that.
No.
Oh. Alright, there. Now with this, I'm gonna actually, like, get rid of these because these are really stupid. What is that?
Bridge.
Are you sure a bridge can stretch out that far?
Could I supports? Yeah.
Is it a drawbridge?
No.
Oh. Well, the servos said it was a drawbridge.
Yeah, I changed my mind.
I don't like your drawbridge. Yeah, I can walk on it now.
You could sit on it.
You know what? Look at my mortar. Look at my mortar right here. Hold on, watch. If I, hold on, if I, hold on, watch. Hold on. You see it? You see how it's facing that way?
You're gonna turn it around.
I'm keeping my eye on you. Look, I'm keeping my eye. I'm keeping my eye on you. Excuse me.
You have a bridge here, but your ship is preventing me.
Why are you building there anyway? You know what? Actually, I'm gonna do that on purpose.
Fine then.
No! Climb!
Your ship is now stuck for the rest of eternity. Your ship is breaking the wall of physics.
Yes! Perfect! Perfect! I'm still keeping.
Your ship will be released.
Yay!
Breaking the wall of physics.
You know what? I'm just leave it there. I'm gonna just leave it like that. You know what? It's gonna float.
I completely forgot my missile hatch was open. Are you dead?
No! No! Why are you? Why are you you? Why are you you? Oh, because you felt like it? Nah! Ching!
Why did bro say shit?
You'll see why.
Are you robbing me right now?
Am I warning you?
Robbing?
No! No! That's the one thing I would never
What
do.
did you think I said?
I thought you said frogging. I'm like, what? I got confused.
You sounded like you thought I said something to it.
No, I thought you said frogging. I'm like, what?
What?
Like a frog.
I know what you mean.
I was confused, but like, frogging? What the heck does that mean?
You frog someone. You throw a frog at them or turn them into a frog.
I don't know, you like jump on them, I guess?
Mama was frogs.
What? What? No, no!
I don't know, you don't need to ask why. I just have an array of buildings.
I have new military base.
You know what? I just had an idea. I'm gonna explode the volcano.
Oh, trust me, exploding the volcano will destroy you more than destroying the volcano. Trust me, I tried. Trust me, I tried that. I tried that. It went
all the way over here.
Still though, sometimes volcanic lava can reach up to like 20 miles. That's at least 10 miles.
Oh, that gives me an idea then.
No! If you do that,
What if I launch an intercontinental ballistic missile at this volcano?
oh, I'd be fried. But if you do that, both volcanoes that are next to
copy my entire base.
No, I'm gonna add some original stuff.
You copied my my thing. You copied my barracks. You have more barracks than me. This is unacceptable.
This is untestable? Is that what you just said?
Unacceptable.
Oh, I didn't know you could color these. That's sick. You can. Okay, so you know how the color of a magnet is yellow, like the part it shoots out.
I know you can color them.
I didn't know that. I'm such a dummy, bro. I didn't know that.
I thought you knew.
I didn't know. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a block in it. I'm gonna color the block green. I'm just gonna. Actually, no. I need to do this for a neon block. There we go. All right, here's gonna be my energy. This is where all my energy is gonna come from. An orb. It's all gonna come from an orb. Spinning it faster just creates me more energy. Did you just break it? Oh, there. Stop breaking my energy! Or I'm gonna break you.
I need it faster so I can do this. It's cool thing. Don't know what I'm doing. Touch it. I dare you. I dare you to touch it.
Dude. Unanchor it now. Dude, stop breaking it! Bro, I'm trying to do this.
Like, my question, why the heck doesn't it spin? Oh, I know why.
Let me build in peace, bro.
Like, can I just try one thing?
No, you really can't. Dude!
Why did you click it?
I don't know! Why did I click it? Just, can you please not?
I have no clue.
Can you please not, like, touch it, please? I know you didn't do it because I'm an idiot, but still though, like don't. There, green orb. Period. Point blank.
Hey, just don't touch this wooden block over here. It's a desk block.
Why are you gonna put it? Why are you putting it there anyway?
I don't know. I just am.
Now we gotta color the cylinder black.
Because my internet is discovering new technology. That word that I guess we're gonna name the virus block.
The virus block?
Yes.
Is that what I just heard?
Yes, that virus block. Because if you ever try to attack us with a shell or something.
With a what?
If you ever try to attack us with like a mortar shell, we will just use virus block that will eat the mortar shell away. It's actually a working thing to break harpoons.
Wait, hold on. Can you repeat everything you just said? I didn't hear a thing you just said.
What I was trying to say is basically, so you would do this, and then, I guess it decided to break, but basically what you would do, you would you would make a virus block, you would connect it to a block, kind of like we did with that one AFK gold grinder I have, and then you would put it all around your build, and then if a harpoon hits it, the harpoon will just die. Like, it won't break, but it will, like, just not hit your build.
I see.
It's a fun thing to do.
Well, I'm
also, if you drop any form of block on it will send that block away. My bad, I did not mean to do that.
You're creating me more energy. Alright, that's it. That's all we need.
I will speed it up.
Stop, bro! You keep breaking it!
I'm not breaking it. I'm just wondering how the heck that breaks it.
I don't know, but you're big. Oh
my god, I think it's rude. Wait, so can I walk? Oh god. It's a washing machine.
It's a washing machine is crazy.
It's a washing machine.
Alright, just leave it alone.
Oh, bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Wait, you want to send a player away? Hold on. You have to have a jetpack.
I know. Actually, I know.
Whoa! I went really far.
Does amazing things.
Hold on, watch this. I'm gonna hold while doing it.
Oh my god, it's the wooden block.
Where did the wood go? Go is time
Anyway.
Alright, enough magnet testing.
The
people want to see a country roleplay, so we give them a country roleplay.
What?
The people want to see a country roleplay, so we give them a country roleplay.
What if they're here for the peepers?
Then you know what they can do?
What? Oh my god, it went off! Yeah, but I'm scared for it to come and watch the magnet. I think that, okay, never mind. Apparently if you spin a wooden block and then launch it, it goes to heaven. And it never comes back down.
No, it'll come back. I guarantee it'll come back.
It was spinning, but yeah, it just disappeared from sight.
It'll come down eventually. Well, yeah, let's spin it. Let's spin it. Let's spin it. I want to see the real force of this.
Wait, can I spin it? Is this the wooden block?
No, cause all right. Spin it. No! 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 It's ready. All right, let's spin it. Hold on. Let me.
I'm standing on it. Wait, send me what's it?
Get off!
Wait, no, I want to do something. Let me do something. Wait, please. I'm gonna do something.
I'm scared of tornadoes, bro. Also, the people probably came to see tornadoes, so we're gonna give them tornadoes. If the people want to see tornadoes, we will give them tornadoes.
Wait, I just had an idea.
What's your idea?
Could you technically mag the thruster, turn on the thruster, and then let it gain momentum and then let it go at John speed?
I don't really know.
So somehow your block broke. I have no clue how. It just kind of did.
No, it's just you can move it. Hold on, I need a magnet. Hold on. I can't find the magnet. I'm sad. Okay, there it is. Oh, bro, that's dumb.
Can you not activate them when it's on a magnet?
No, you probably can't. Okay. Noted. What are you doing? Okay, so instead of doing that tomfoolery, let's actually get some storms up and running. Wow, that was the cringiest thing I've ever said.
No, I'm trying to get up, but I'm failing. I made it.
Am I under the map? Oh, I am under the map.
God, I need to get off the water because there's only one way to get back up.
No, there isn't.
What?
I'm up. I'm literally up here. Look, there's a side over here. Look over here. No, come over here. There's like a whole open side you can take.
Oh.
Bruh! Get out! Get out! Get out!
I just turned off the collision in the water. Are you doing what I think you're trying to do? Oh wait, no, you're making a storm out of it.
What did you think I was doing?
I thought you were gonna put that in a magnet.
Oh, no, too much. Bro, stop. Okay, we can't be experimenting for the whole episode.
Look, I'm trying to get better scientific research for my country.
What scientific research are you trying to get?
I have no clue. I'm just getting it.
Also, didn't you make a presentation on Delaware? That was really cool.
Oh my god. Watch out, take me.
I still think it's funny that you made a presentation on Delaware.
On what?
Remember, you were telling me about you made a presentation on Delaware?
No.
Remember? What do you mean? You were just telling me about that, like a few weeks ago. Well, not a few weeks ago, like before school, after school started, or before it ended. I'll say that.
Wait, a presentation on what?
Delaware, like the state.
No, I was doing it on Oklahoma.
told me Delaware.
I swear I said Oklahoma.
I swear. Wait, hold on, let's try and spin it.
Sadly, it doesn't work. Wait, no, actually, it might work. Turn off the magnets collision.
Get on! Whoa!
Oh my god.
Hold on, just... Okay, there. That's just enough. Holy! Oh no. Oh no. Oh, fuck!
Oh my god.
I disappeared. I vanished.
Where did you go?
I completely vanished.
I can't wait to watch this video and figure out where the heck he went.
Anyway, time to work on the storm. Did bro not see me?
I did not see you.
Look, I'm already back.
I know, but like, I did not see where the heck he went.
Oh, the mesocyclones.
I didn't realize that other wooden block is still flying.
Wait, yeah, good point. It is still flying.
Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think it's. Yeah, it's never coming back down.
We got a low-hanging meso. I've been forgetting to move the whole thing. It's all the way over here. Okay, maybe
Hit my head.
Okay, there. This is gonna be a wide tornado.
But I think we're about to get a lot of radiation leaks if this breaks the walls.
It's not. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm working on nuclear silence. Silence. Yes, silence.
Working on a nuclear silence.
Yep. Silence. I'm silence. Oh, that's the tornado. Look at that. The tornado. That's the funnel. It's like almost touching the ground already, even though it just formed.
Me with the tornado.
Look.
Now the controller of the tornado.
Look at the bottom part. That's the tornado.
I am the controller of the storm. That controls the tornado.
And tornado has touched the ground. What the hell? Why did he leave? Why did you leave, bro? Bro randomly just left.
I literally said, why did you leave, bro? And then a few hours later, and why is engineer responding?
Not you. Weirdo. Ah, pedophile. Why am I talking about pedophiles? What the heck? So we go from magnets to storms to pedos. To pedos. Like, bro, what? Ooh! Okay, it's going that way.
I might, like, not necessarily on purpose, but like, oh wait, hey, you have to get off at 5, right?
No. I'm pretty sure it could be on for the rest of the night. Well, I'm scared to challenge it.
You're about to get wrecked.
That's not what I meant to do. We are not having a brown tornado.
I'm not talking about you.
Exactly, bro. Like, no, get out of my business.
He's rage baiting.
Oh yeah, rage bait. It's rage bait. Oh, I can't say that. real! T4 is so real, guys.
Rage Baiter, light, non-Rage Baiter, not Clint.
Nah.
I gotta see your friend's like first name, maybe not engineer friend.
Bro, hit him with that intense clapback.
That's how he's going here.
Bro, hit him with that intense clapback. Ah, I'm stuck! Help! Ah! I fell over. Bro, T4 is like a W guy, y'all.
Besides the fact that I don't know how to spell engineer, or I didn't, but now I do.
T4 real! Actually, the tornado is gonna lift right here. That is a massive. I swear to God, if I get a comment on why I said massive, bro, I'm gonna be so mad, bro. Okay, it isn't dying though. It's lit. It's a floater.
Why did it perfectly miss your area and now it's coming from mine?
Nuh-uh. It's going that way. I don't know what you're yapping about.
It's going straight from mine. Is it gonna hit your bow?
No, not my bow. Oh wait. Oh, did it just hit the ground again? This is a huge EF5 tornado.
You're acting like you ain't the controlling it, my man.
And it just lifted again. Although yet again, not dead.
I'm going to shoot the tornado. Tornado.
Tornado is unaffected.
Fine, then I'll shoot the creator of the tornado.
No! Please! Please!
Then I'll shoot the creator of the tornado.
Alright, it just touched the ground and then it just lifted again. El Reno, aw, tornado. No, not El Reno, Andover, aw, tornado. Bro, it just got deleted.
What?
It got deleted. Oh no, it didn't. It just got scaled badly.
What?
And the storm is now dying.
This is for controlling the tornado.
Proceeds to miss. Oh! Oh! Oh no! You set yourself. Yes. I just exploded into a quintillion pieces.
Oh no, I want to fall into the void.
Alright. Well.
I fell into the void.
Get out!
My cannon is still there.
Get out! I
hit you.
I thank the Lord that I'm recording. I'm not. I thank the Lord I'm recording because if I wasn't, oh, I used it to my advantage. I used it to my advantage. You're garbage. There we go. Look at that. You gave me some height. Dang it, I couldn't jump in time.
You couldn't jump in time, you can now never jump and die. I now have to play. Don't jump to my.
Stop hitting me! was sad.
How about long? Jump never.
No! No, I'm sliding.
Lay down.
How about now? Can you hit me now?
I go shoot.
You can't shoot me now. No! You know what? You know what? I'm hiding. Did you stop me?
Now you're in direct aim.
Oh, Bro's not happy. Bro's not happy.
Cornered you.
In what world is this cornering me? Yes!
Get up.
Okay, but seriously though, can you let me build?
No one wants to. No, you're preparing to attack me. No, we're just the only one without a military.
Exactly. I don't know what he's up to. He's been like doing nothing all game.
But can I go attack it?
No. What did I just say?
I don't feel what you just said. I just hit the volcano. I think he's tried.
You should reset character now! You should reset character now! Fix the portal.
After you died 3 times.
I'm gonna explode. I'm just gonna explode. Because I felt like it. Alright, I hope you know. I haven't saved. I haven't saved. So if I go through this portal and I end up falling to the void, I will destroy everything.
Alright. I was moving it! I was moving it! You didn't look, I literally moved it. I wish I was recording so I could show you that I was moving it.
You don't like ever record, I don't know why.
I don't have recording software.
Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah, I remember.
You saw nothing. You saw nothing. Can another volcano erupt?
Honestly, we haven't had. Well, technically, we already had a volcano erupt in this series.
I know. I'm saying, like, can we have another erupt? Like, for example, the one all the way out here. Like, just a not very useful. Or even the one right here.
Yeah, you're not giving a very useful description.
By the way, where did your neon block go? Oh, never mind.
Where did it go?
I think it's probably from when I was doing this.
That makes sense.
But where did it go off to? Where did it run off to?
It just grew legs and ran off.
Remember you threw it out with your magnets?
What?
During the tornado?
Oh yeah, because I accidentally put yeah. Go!
I was about to get myself. Hey, I might go play Felicity. I want to get the Titus.
You mean the Dominator 2? Because it's better.
I want the Titus.
Why? Why Titus? I'm just curious, like, why Titus?
I'm on the grass.
Hey, I hope you know, when it says off-road, it doesn't mean on grass. It means on dirt roads.
Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't mean what you think.
I'm not gonna check that.
No, it's true, but okay. You actually left the game.
I'm gonna go check it.
Well, I guess we're leaving early on this episode. I'll see y'all later.
No, I'll be back.
No, well, it's also because we're 40 minutes into a recording and we're normally in for 30. Anyway.
Oh.
We'll see you guys later, and, intercontinental ballistic missile and, giant tornado. Yippee! And whatever this thing is.